Rent to rent exposed. Is it really worth it? On this video, I'm going to be breaking down my experiences of rent to rent and if I would recommend it to you, honestly, not being biased, just keeping it real. I'm Simon and I'm best known for being a rent to rent specialist, but I'm too far in to turn back now. I've got 9 employees, I've got a 7-figure annual rent to rent turnover business and we're looking to scale that to 3 million. But honestly, would I recommend it? Is it worth the hassle? And I'm gonna tell you some hard truths in this video, okay? And the first one is, if you're just gonna do a few deals, I don't know if it is worth it, okay? I don't know if it's worth it. And I'll tell you why. Because you're gonna have a few deals, okay? You're not gonna have the economies of scale for you to be able to have staff. So you're gonna be managing them yourself. 1 or 2 voids, your cash flow is going to be completely wiped out. So what I noticed in my business was 3, 4, 5 deals, 6 deals, 7 deals. It's almost like, it's not enough to really impact your life, okay? 1, you've not got the economies of scale. 2, you're not big enough to be able to hire. 3, you've not actually caused enough of a stir to really become a well-known entity. 4, and potentially most importantly, okay, you're not in a position whereby you can take the cash flow and reinvest in a BRR. Because 5, 6, 7 grand a month, it sounds a lot now, but once you've paid yourself and you've got the business expenses, you're going to be waiting a long, long time for your first BRR. So what I've realized is that in order for rent to really be worth it, you need 10 deals, 20 deals, 30 deals, 50 deals. And that's why I designed Rent to Rent 2.0, a system, a strategy where you're going to have the infrastructure to hit those types of numbers, okay? Now look, if you just want a side hustle and you're happy with 1 or 2 deals, but it's not your main thing, yeah, cool. But if you really want to get financially independent, you want to reinvest your money, you want to have a team so that you free up your time, the fact of the matter is you need to scale. And this can be scary for 2 reasons. Reason 1, because you've not got the money, okay? And reason 2, because you're guaranteeing a lot of rents and you may not be confident as to if you can fill these properties. Well, I have this conversation with myself all the time. Every single time I hit a new goal, whether that have been 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 deals, I always think, can my area take another deal? And there's been times when I've done 4 or 5 and I'm a bit shook. I'm not sure. And then the next week, all my deals are full and I need more properties. So I guess the big take home from this video is, look, if you want to do rent to rent and you significantly want to change your life, don't be fooled by some of these furus out there that are going to tell you that 2 grand a month from a rent to rent portfolio is 2 grand a month to you. Okay. It's going to get you out of a job, but it will give you another one. You need to scale. You need to really scale to significantly change your life through rent to rent. But there's good news, okay? It is possible. There's massive, massive demand, huge demand. So it is possible, but you need to get educated. You need to know the process. You need to learn how to get investment or how to leverage the investment potential that you've got. And then you need to go hard. 10x, 10 times what you think you need to do. And you can completely transform your life. Hope you found this useful. If you like content like this, tap the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video.